What's up, YouTube? Today, excuse me while I fix that. Today we're looking at the 81 in smooth yellow rose bone. As you can see, pretty nice to open, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see if I can adjust the lights. Because there's one spring, although it is a big spring, albeit a big spring, it is fairly thin. This is soaked in mineral oil because Lord knows GEC ain't gonna put the Ren wax on for you. These pieces are somewhat contentious in that the greater GEC quote-unquote community, in scare quotes, thinks that it's a lame pattern, but it's not. The Muskrat pattern is extremely traditional. It's a great pattern, and this piece is very nice. The Match Strike nail nicks, Rough Riders have been doing those for a few years regularly on like everything. I don't have an issue with it really, to be really honest. Yeah, it's just a nice piece. Hopefully I can get more of the run all in one place. They're doing Snakewood next, and I think that's it. There's a couple reasons this would make a great carry knife. Although, I got two of the initial micarta, red onion micarta, I think they were. I'll probably carry one of those at some point. Clip points are just extremely ubiquitous. And these are the Muskrat clips or the California clips. And long, slender, a nice distill taper. It's hard to ask for more. All right, folks, this is just a preliminary look around. I'm not here to take up your night or day whenever I publish this. So, hope this one is to your liking. That's about all she wrote for this one. Hope you folks have a great rest of your day. Bye now.